2 years ago, Shirley Manson said, "Oh, it's like a summer camp for bands."
It
the
is.
big day out. If this were a summer camp, who do you think would be the big camp leader of the bands here today?
Lars.
Yeah, definitely.
Lars is the camp leader. Yeah, for sure. And I think I'd like to see Second Lieutenant, the guy from The Darkness, the singer from The Darkness.
Justin.
Man, how anyone can fit into that to those jumpsuits like he does, man, you've got to be pretty limber to get into those.
It's my second love today.
Oh yeah, that was good. Your second love today. Who's your first love today?
Yeah.
He had it to start with, but then 30.
Oh, then Fergie, and then,
Fergie's
okay,
got,
so your tour crush is Fergie, definitely?
So far.
Or Peaches, maybe? I saw Peaches and her entourage
Oh, really? They're
wandering around before.
Yes.
They're all at that tour wearing enormous boots.
I kind of like the girl from the Dandy Warhols.
Yeah. Now, can I show something off to you?
Oh yeah, come on.
Last night at the bar,
Look at that.
she gave it to me herself.
Were you there?
She gave me this.
got her own.
She gave me a badge of herself,
Man,
and I put it
I've missed
Zia.
out.
Hi, Zia.
I went to bed, and these guys came up afterwards and said, "Man, you missed a great night." I was like resting my voice. You know how it is.
Oh, resting.
Can I borrow that pin off? Can I?
No, dude. No, she gave it to me herself.
It's a special thing.
So see what happens when you get left in a room by yourself for like hours.
You did this last night?
I couldn't help myself. I just got bored and thought, I got to do something different.
I noticed as well you got a bit of new wink. Can we show off the forearm?
Oh yeah, I got
This
that.
is very nice.
Ah, very patriotic. That. There we go. I got that done yesterday afternoon because I get a new tattoo every time I do a big day out. So
So what was the first big day out tattoo?
Big day out was Atlas. That one hurt a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that done the day before, and the ink rubbed off a lot while I was dancing around on stage.
And you got this done, what, last week?
No, yesterday at about 4:30. Yeah,
It's very fresh.
Yeah, it's
Look,
nice.
it's all fresh. Does it hurt if I do that?
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Because it's full of bepanthen. Or
Yeah,
is that
that's
just
exactly right.
all the pharmaceuticals kicking in?
I think, yeah, exactly. And the adrenaline. I couldn't get to sleep last night because the adrenaline, it was crazy. So
Either that or the spikiness of your head was...
you're keeping me awake.
Keeping
I was
you
stuck
awake.
to the pillow.